Python programmers. This is AK. In this video, we are going to perform the simple face detection program using Python. Okay, so using the face detection program, we can easily find out the gender and the age of the human beings. Okay, so in this program, we are going to find out the gender and the age of the human beings using this face detection program. Okay, so let's start the tutorials. So before start to code, please subscribe our channel and help me to reach out 2k subscribers on YouTube. Okay, so let's start to code. Okay, so this folder contains the 7 important files that is required for the face detection program. Okay, so the first one is the age detection, and second one is the face gender detection, and the third one is the face detection. Okay, so the first one, the age detection. So when you given an input image like this, okay, into your program, so the program splits the image into a different layers. Okay, so the age detection that analyze the each and every layer of our image, okay, and collects the age related information from the input image, okay, and stored it in some memory, okay, and the gender file. So the gender file also doing the same thing. Okay, it collects all the information about the gender from the layers, okay, and it's stored in some memory. And the third file is OpenCV face detector file. So this file is also doing the same thing. Okay, so this file collects all the information, all the face related information about our input image, and it's stored in some memory. Okay, so it is the main duty of these files. Okay, so after collecting all the informations, okay, so this files merges all the information and produce a single result. Okay, that's our output. Okay, so let's see how these files are works in our real-time face detection program. Okay, so open your CMD. Okay, so after opening the CMD, we need to specify the path of our Python file. Okay, that we extracted from the zip file. Okay, so I named the Python file as face detection. Okay, so here you need to specify the path of our Python file. Okay, so let's give the path. A:/cd okay, so here we are going to run the Python file. Okay, so py face detection.py. so this is our Python file. Okay, so after inserting the Python file, you need to specify the image, okay, so that you want to predict. Okay, so let's give the 2 hyphens and the image. So here you need to specify the name of your image. Okay, so here I'm just importing man1.jpg. so you need to mention the extension of your file. Okay, so let's click the enter. Okay, so look at this image. Okay, so it will correctly predict the male and it will tell the age detection. Okay, so age is 60 to 100. Okay, so it is difficult to accurately guess an exact age from a single image. Okay, so this is our program. Okay, so if you like this video, please give a like and subscribe and share our channel to your friends and help me to reach out 2k subscribers on YouTube. So thanks for watching and thank you.